Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Quiet Lab Adjustable Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece. So basically, if you don't know what this is, it is basically a mouthpiece that you put in your mouth while you sleep, and basically they claim it helps you reduce or get rid of your snoring. So as you can see, how does it work? As you can see right here, they have a demonstration on how it works. So they claim to have soft tissue vibrating in your throat. That's why you snore. And as you can see, they have claims right here, 5 stars. And they also have right here the orders. So one costs $50, two costs $80, and the other 3 costs $100. So if you go in here to Trustpilot, see the reviews, and the reviews are a bit hit or miss since they're rated 3.5 out of 5 stars. So let's see some reviews right here. So right here, this person said they need to be redesigned. So they actually reply to the customers. So very easy to work with. Customer service was quite timely. Package was mistakenly delivered to the wrong address. So they basically have the great customer service, and a lot of things are positive about the customer service. However, most of these reviews are only about the customer service, not much the product itself. So right here, as you can see, service, customer service. Right here, this person talks about the product, found it really uncomfortable. Service again, customer service again. And right here, this person said it was a real deal. So basically, this product is a hit or miss. So there are not a lot of great reviews, since you really can't count on the reviews here on the websites. Since why would you put 1-star reviews on your own website, right? And you can't even go through the next one. As you can see, this is just an image. As you can see, you can't even click on it. So if you want to go ahead and try this product out, I do advise to do more research on it, since it may fit other people really comfortably, and it may be very uncomfortable for you, and it may not even work at all. And yeah, that's basically it. So if you want to try this product out, do it with caution. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.